Hey again, and welcome to our second video on the topic of the schwa. As you should remember from last time, the schwa is the most common vowel sound in English. It helps us to speak words quicker and more fluently, and the schwa is used in unstressed syllables. Today we're going to see how the schwa is used in words in longer sentences. Now, due to the stress patterns of English, some words in full sentences will be stressed, while others will become unstressed. Usually, the less important words in sentences, such as conjunctions and articles, will be those that become unstressed. For example, he was dressed up as a pirate. I'll have fish and chips for dinner. What do you want? Now, how I read them just then didn't sound very natural, and that's because the words highlighted here, was, as, a, and, for, do, and you, are all unimportant words in the sentence, and should all contain the schwa sound instead of their usual vowel. So, we should read these sentences like this. He was dressed up as a pirate. He was dressed up as a pirate. I'll have fish and chips for dinner. I'll have fish and chips for dinner. What do you want? What do you want? Now don't forget what we learnt last time, that some words, if they have two syllables for example, will have one unstressed syllable and one stressed syllable. So these two words, pirate and dinner, actually also have a schwa sound in them. So we should read these sentences like this. He was dressed up as a pirate. He was dressed up as a pirate. I'll have fish and chips for dinner. I'll have fish and chips for dinner. What do you want? What do you want? Okay, now it's your turn. I'm going to show you 4 more sentences on the screen, and I want you to pause the video here, take a look at them, and try to find out which words should contain the schwa sound. Did you find out the answers? Let's take a look. So the words highlighted in black on the screen should contain schwa sounds because they are the less important words in the sentences. And don't forget about what we learned last time. If a word has more than one syllable, and at least one of the syllables will be unstressed. So these underlined parts of the words here should also contain schwa sounds. So it's no wonder the schwa is the most common vowel sound in English. Now, let's read all these sentences with their schwas. He's an actor from London. He's an actor from London. I wonder if she can speak Italian. I wonder if she can speak Italian. How much is it for a bottle of water? How much is it for a bottle of water? Do you know the way to the train station? Do you know the way to the train station? Okay, now it's your turn again. Replay the previous part of the video, then read and repeat the sentences in the list. You may like to record yourself reading the sentences and upload your recording to the Padlet page by scanning the QR code to see what other watchers of this video think of your schwa pronunciation. That's it for today. See you next time.